In this video, I want to talk about one of the most important topics in programming: object-oriented programming. To explain object orientation, I need to talk about two important topics. The first is objects and the second is classes. What is an object? Everything around us is an object. If I were to give an example, I'd have to lift my head up a bit and tell you all the things that I'm seeing right now, as I'm sitting at my desk and I'm making this video for you. Table, chair, heater, kettle and teapot, laptop, my wardrobe and many more. Each object that I mentioned has a special color, a special size, a special material, and a special function. Therefore, features and efficiency are the words that we pay attention to when it comes to objects. What is class? I want to talk about this with an example. If we consider humans as objects, it has features such as height, weight, age, gender, skin color, race. It does things like walking, running, talking, fighting. What is the difference between us humans? Someone with black skin color and someone with white skin color are different in skin color. Someone who is short and someone who is tall are different in height. A person who is fat and a person who is thin is the difference in their weight. What I want to say is that we are all human and the difference is only in the value we give to our features. A class is where the features of an object are defined as properties, and to create an object, it is enough to give values to its properties. With these explanations, I can say that apples, pears, and bananas belong to the class of fruits. And Benz, BMW, and Porsche are from the car class. So, a class is a template for objects, and an object is an instance of a class. OOP promotes modularity and code reusability by organizing software around objects rather than functions. Key OOP principles include encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. What is encapsulation? Objects have properties, variables, and methods, functions, that operate on the data. Encapsulation is the grouping of related variables and functions into objects. As I said a little earlier, the place where we write properties and functions related to objects are classes. And classes in C# are encapsulated by default. What is inheritance? In C#, it is possible to inherit fields and methods from one class to another. We group the inheritance concept into two categories: derived class, child, the class that inherits from another class; base class, parent, the class being inherited from it is useful for code reusability. What is polymorphism? Poly means many and morph means forms. When we inherit from the mother class as a child class, we can use the features and methods of the mother class whenever we want. This is inheritance. But when we use this feature and methods in different ways in the child classes, it becomes polymorphism. What is abstraction? Data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from another class.